Pleasant morning, children. Already you had learned about love for animals in the previous class. Now we will move to the next lesson. Here some questions to check your knowledge, children. Use the clue and tell the answer. Here, these are the introductory questions, children. Just you use the clues and tell the answer. The first question is, which is the biggest bird in the world? Observe, which is the biggest bird in the world? Yes, the first picture is the biggest bird in the world. What is that name? Do you know? Yes, it is ostrich. Observe, very good. It is ostrich. Then, next question is, which is the smallest bird in the world? In that picture, we observe that is the smallest bird in the world. Yes, that is called, here bee is there in front of that bird. Actually, we feed the bees to them. That is bee humming bird. That is bee humming bird. Observe, this is bee humming bird is the smallest bird. Actually, the size of that bird is 2.4 inches. 2.4, as your just your finger. And here the size of the finger, 2.4 inches. Then third question is, which is the biggest animal in water? Observe, which is the biggest animal in water or in ocean? Yes, the third picture is your answer. Yes, right, this is the clue. Blue whale. Blue whale is the biggest animal in the water. It compares to, yes, then which is the biggest animal on land? On land, on the earth. Yes, very good, your answer is right. That is elephant. That is elephant. But blue whale, compared to the elephant, we weighs the 30 elephants equal to one blue whale. 30 elephants, observe, 30 elephants equal to one blue whale. So on the earth, the water is also on the earth, although it is inside the water, it is in the ocean. So it is the biggest animal in the ocean, blue whale. It weighs nearly 30 elephants, equal to 30 elephants. Okay, now we will move to the poem, The Elephant. Poetry, The Elephant. Here, The Elephant. The first stanza of The Elephant is here. Here, observe. Now I recite the poem, children. Along with me, recite it. The elephant's bay, the elephant's grey, the elephant's walks for miles each day. The elephant's big, the elephant's grey, the elephant's walks for miles each day. Observe, here there is an elephant. The elephant's big, the elephant's grey, the elephant's walks for miles each day. It walks for miles each day. Then second part. His trunk is long, you know the trunk like this. His trunk is long. Oh, what fun when it comes out for a cake or bun. His trunk is long, and oh, what fun when it comes out for a cake or bun. Here, observe the second picture. The children give some food to that elephant, expand the air, it longs his trunk. In that second picture, we'll move to third stanza. The elephant's big, his ears are wide. Observe, his ears are wide. Observe the ears are wide. His back is broad. For all to ride. Next, fourth stanza. The elephant's big, he is kind too. He carries the children round the zoo. Here, some children are sitting on the back of the elephant. Here, now know about the meaning of the. Already you know the meaning. Although I will tell by stanza now. The elephant's big. Elephant is big. Apostrophe yes, we used it there. And the last one, that punctuation mark is called exclamatory mark. Exclamatory mark. Because the elephant's big. The elephant's grey. That is in the grey color. That is nearly, grey means near to the black. Kandu banna anta kariteve. Grey color. The elephant walks for miles each day. Even it is a big size of the animal, it walks miles. 1.25 kilometer equal to 1 mile. 1.25 kilometer equal to 1 mile. It miles each day. Not only 1 mile, miles together. They walks in that herd. That is called herd or group. They moves in the forest. They have one territory or that boundary. They use it in that area. They walks. His trunk is long. Trunk means sondilu. Uses the trunk. His trunk is so long. And oh, what fun when it comes out for a cake or bun. Maybe you know that in some temples, for example, in the Nanjundeshwara temple, you observed the elephant, and even before that, in our Math also, in Sri Suttur Math also, they had a elephant in previous days. After all, they sent to somewhere. Though these elephants are very big, and they when it comes out for a food, if you give the food, if you give the banana, if you give the jaggery and banana and that copra, either the dry coconut, these are very and sugar cane, bamboo, these are the very favorite foods to the this is herbivorous. Especially this animal is herbivorous. Herbivorous means they always eats only the herbs. Will be the grass, leaves, and these type of plants. Like this, which animals eats the grass or the plant products, and plant product, those are called herbivorous. This is a very big animal, although it eats the herbivorous. Herbivorous means vegetarian. This is called a vegetarian herbivorous. It likes its favorite foods are jaggery, copra means dry coconut, sugar cane, and bamboo shoots. ಅದರ ಚಿಗುರು, ಬ್ಯಾಂಬೂ ಮೊಳಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, shoots. These are the favorite food to them. And when it comes out for a cake, sometimes in the zoo or somewhere, they are sometimes who are reared. Somebody is reared the animals. These elephants in the ashrams, either temples, where either in the zoo. If we give the food to them, they stretches their trunks. Trunks means sondilanna udda ಚಾಚ್ತವೆ. The long, it is as like a long, it is with the long, it stretches long. The elephant's big. Elephant is very big. His ears are wide, very broad. Wide means broad. They are very wide. Observed in the third picture. His back is broad. The back is also broad. Back means bend. For all to ride. Why it is the back is broad? Because it carries all the people. in Dasara, in the during the Dasara, it carries nearly 1 ton. 1 ton means 1000 kg, near to 1000 kg of weight. It weighs a, it carries the 1000 kg of weight. Nearly Mysuru Hauda. Hauda means Hambari. Hauda means Hambari. Hambari weighs nearly 750 to 850 kg. That elephant carries the that hauda means Hambari to from Mysore Palace to Banimantap, nearly 2.5 to 3 kilometers, 3 to 4 kilometers it carries. So it carries the heavy weight, and sometimes the human being use it for to pull the and push the logs, very big logs in the forest. ಮರದ ದಿಮ್ಮಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಬಿಗ್ ಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮರದ ದಿಮ್ಮಿಗಳು. And elephants big is kind too. It is a kind animal. Sometimes it is also cruel, but it's kind hearted, kind animal too, kind too. He carries the children. He carries the children round the zoo. Round the zoo. Sometimes he ride on the top of the elephant. That is a very enjoyable moment. Maybe you had in the zoo or somewhere, some safaris are there. Some when you went to some safari in the some forest areas. Okay, he carries the children round the zoo. It is very wonderful moment. That is, if you ride on the elephant. Okay, this is the about the poem, the elephant. Here, all the 4 pictures you observed. What is the color of the elephant? How it is? How long it walks? It walks miles together, and its trunk. Trunk means sondilo. It is a part of the elephant. Got it? And when it is stretches its trunk to the food, if you give the food sometimes, and the elephant's ears are just like very very wide and very big. We use it the moradagala the kivi mora. We use it for to sort out the grains and stones. We use it at home. That is called the mora. That is instrumental. We use it in the kitchens at home, like that. Then we will move to some rhyming words, children. In that previous, there, gray day. Same sounded words are called the rhyming words. Fun bun, wide ride. To zoo, observe, to zoo. Then opposites or antonyms are here, children. Big, small. Day, night. Big, it is a big animal. The elephant is the big animal. Rabbit is the small animal. Big and small. ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಸಣ್ಣದು, ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. ಅರ್ಥ. ಡೇ ಹಗಲು. Night, ರಾತ್ರಿ. These are the opposites. Long, short. ಉದ್ದ ಇರೋದು, ಕುಳ್ಳ ಇರೋದು, ಗಿಡ್ಡದ್ದು. Out, ಹೊರಗಡೆ. In, ಒಳಗೆ. Wide, ವಿಶಾಲ. Narrow, ಕಿರಿದು. Broad, ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ಅಥವಾ ವಿಶಾಲ, ಅಗಲವಾಗಿರುವುದು. Narrow, ಚಿಕ್ಕದು, ಕಿರಿದಾಗಿರುವುದು. These are the antonyms. Opposites or antonyms. Those are the rhyming words. You should write in your homework and classwork also, children. And if some difficult words are there, you should write the that's new words in your CW and HW. You should write the rhyming words and opposites in your HW and CW, children. Thank you. Then we will meet in the next class. Thank you.